Hare Krishna. Text 51. Karmajam buddhiyukta hi bhalam tyaktva manishinaha janma bandha vinirmukta padam gacchantyanāmayam. Meaning, by engaging in devotional service to the Lord, great sages or devotees free themselves from the result of work in the material world. In this way, they become free from the cycle of birth and death and attain the stage beyond all miseries. One who wrongly thinks that the living entity's position and the Lord's position are on the same level is to be understood to be in darkness and unable to engage himself in the devotional service of the Lord. He becomes the Lord himself and paves the way for the repetition of birth and death. But one who, understanding that his position is to serve, transfer himself to the service of the Lord and at once becomes eligible for Vaikuntha Loka. Text 52. Yada te moha kalilam buddhir vyatitarishyati tadha gantasi nirvedam srodavyasya srutasya cha. Meaning, when your intelligence has passed out of the dense forest of delusion, you shall become indifferent to all that has been heard and all that is to be heard. Comprehending all kinds of prayers 3 times a day, taking a bath early in the morning, offering respects to the forefathers, etc. But when one is fully in Krishna consciousness and is engaged in his transcendental loving service, one becomes indifferent to all these regulative principles because he has already attained perfection. Text 53. Shruti vipratipannate yadha stasyati nischala samadhavachala buddhis tadha yogamavapsyasi. Meaning, the highest perfection of self-realization is to understand that one is eternally the servitor of Lord Krishna and that one's only business is to discharge one's duty in Krishna consciousness. A Krishna conscious person should not be disturbed by the fruitive activities for the promotion to the heavenly kingdom. One is sure to achieve results and attain conclusive knowledge. One has only to carry out the orders of Krishna or his representative, the spiritual master. Text 54. Arjuna uvacha Siddha prajnasya ka bhasha samadhistasya keshava sthitadi kim prabhasheda kimasida vrajeta kim. Meaning, as there are symptoms for each and every man in terms of his particular situation, similarly one who is Krishna conscious has his particular nature, talking, walking, thinking, feeling, etc. As a rich man has the symptoms by which he is known as a rich man, as a deceased man has the symptoms by which he is known as deceased, or as a learned man has the symptoms, so as a man in transcendental consciousness of Krishna has specific symptoms in various dealings. Most important is how the man in Krishna consciousness speaks, for speech is the most important quality of any man. The immediate symptom of a Krishna conscious man is that he speaks only of Krishna and of matters relating to him. Text 55. Sri Bhagavanuvacha Prajahati yadha kaman sarvan partha manogatan atmanyevatmana tushta siddha prajnastadhochyate. Meaning, any person who is fully in Krishna consciousness or devotional service with the Lord has all the good qualities of the great sages, whereas a person who is not so transcendently situated has no good qualifications, because he is sure to be taking refuge in his own mental concoctions. Therefore, one has to engage himself in Krishna consciousness without hesitation, for this devotional service will instantly help one onto the platform of transcendental consciousness. Such a transcendently situated person has no sense desires resulting from petty materialisms. Rather, he remains always happy in his natural position of eternally serving the Supreme Lord. Hare Krishna.